Well, there you have it. The celebrations have clearly begun, not only here in Hyderabad, but I'm sure in Chennai as well. Absolutely amazing time for the Chennai Rhinos. A little disappointment for the Karanataka Bulldozers, but I'm sure they'll come back next year with a real bang.
Well, that's the most unfortunate part about the final, that one team has to lose. Obviously, Karanataka Bulldozers on the receiving end today, but I think they've done themselves and the entire industry very, very proud the way they've performed in this league.
Yes, it really has been a huge moment for the Chennai Rhinos. Such a great achievement, and I'm sure next year they're looking to hold on to that title as well.
Well, that may not be too easy because they've got two more teams to compete with, and the Karanataka Bulldozers, I think they're going to come back strong. And in fact, I'm hoping a lot from the Mumbai Heroes as well, because they were the guys who didn't win even a single game in this tournament, and that's not the record you would want to hold for too long. So I would expect them to come back with a bang.
Yeah, and I think this tournament was an indication of what can be done by these actors. Let's face it, they're not actually professional cricket players, but they've really come out here, they've been dedicated, they've been focused, they've given it their all. And it's been a really, really great thing for them to kind of put their hearts and souls into. And next year it's going to be even better, it's going to be even better. We've got 2 additional teams, and I'm sure that everyone is going to be really motivated and excited about coming back.
Absolutely, bigger and better, and I think it's just a true reward for what these guys have done. Yes, they put their best foot forward. You may not find the skill level too high this season, but you cannot doubt their commitment. I think they've given it all, and that's what this game is all about. It's been competitive, and that's why we've got the numbers, and the CCL has been a roaring success.
Oh, that's so true, and that's why that's why this league was created, to give these actors an opportunity to put their energy into something like this. And it's been an absolutely fabulous season. We've had so much fun here on News and Super Innings. Akash, have you had a good time?
Absolutely, rocking time.
Absolutely rocking time. There you have it. The first season of Celebrity Cricket League ends with an absolute bang. The Chennai Rhinos taking home the title of the winners of Celebrity Cricket League Season 1. We hope you've had a fantastic time. We certainly have, and we will definitely see you next season, so don't go away too far. Come join us. Thank you so much, and good night.
नायाब खेल है ये, न जाने कौन जीतेगा, न जाने कौन हारेगा, आजा मजा आएगा। न जाने कौन जीतेगा, न जाने कौन हारेगा, आजा मजा आएगा। सिनेमा और क्रिकेट का मेल है ये, सच बोलूं तो युद्ध जैसा खेल है ये। चुराने वाले दो होते हैं, हमारे दिल चुराने वाले वो होते हैं। एक है मूवी स्टार, दूसरा 6 और 4, दोनों मिल जाए तो अंदाज़ है मेरे यार। खेल
I can't even catch a ball, let's just say that. So when they choose their team, I'm always the last person to be chosen, unfortunately.
And what's keeping you busy these days? What's in your kitty as far as the movies are concerned?
I'm working in Tamil, working in Kannada and in Telugu now, so it's really difficult to see which team that I'll be supporting, but again I'll be supporting all the teams. Like I said, they've been working really, really hard. So let the best team win.
Well, it was wonderful talking to you, and wish you all the best for the future. Over to you in the commentary box.
Please go off.